Hey guys, I forgot to record earlier, but what's today's date? 23rd? Happy Vlogmas. Day 23. Come a long way. This month is already almost over. Currently getting a oil change for the blue truck. And I'm eating some new sweets and sours Skittles. So I'm guessing the gist of the Skittle is that it's sweet when you first chew it and then it starts getting sour.
Guess what, guys? The GTR is coming back. She's done. Yeah? She took fucking forever. She took forever. She'll be back soon. So we'll let her drive every once in a while. Probably like once a year. Right?
You see how he's trying me? But when I was driving it, I looked so bomb. That's
when it was stock. Now it has over 1,000 horses. So I'm thinking about her safety. Right, guys? Who would let their girl drive a car with 1,000 horses? No one.
Yes, they would.
No one.
Don't act like no. Okay. I wish we could do a poll. Because.
Why are your arms so short?
I don't know. I don't know why my arm is so short.
Anyway, she'll be back. Stay tuned. Videos will be coming. Reactions, launch control. Try not to break the transmission.
He's gonna teach me how to launch control.
No, I'm not. Don't listen to her. She just lied on a Sunday. But yeah.
What? But yeah, we're currently just waiting for the truck to be done.
Doesn't she look short?
No. Look at how tall I look next to you.
Yeah, whatever. We're in the ghetto. Show them the ghetto.
I don't know if you can see because of the sun.
I used to live in an abandoned tire around here a few years ago.
An abandoned tire?
If you're familiar with Newark, New Jersey, I was born here, raised Newark and East Orange. Just the ghetto. We're trying to get out of here, so make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
To all our videos. Go to Bim Gang channel. Watch every single reaction video that I hated doing. But
He did not hate. Yo, it wasn't that it was bad.
Nah, it wasn't bad.
The
I just
repetition.
have a dry personality. A lot of stuff wasn't funny.
You know, I think the same way about myself. Like sometimes I'll be talking on here and I'm just like, okay, I'm not gonna make a joke out of something that's not funny that people like will go so hard on, and it's just like, okay, it's not funny.
A lot of these reactions be like extra fake, and I know a lot of people like fake people. I just can't do that shit. So, won't be doing those anymore.
We will, but it'll be on stuff that you want to watch, you can react to.
Stuff that you think we would like. So, I gotta be like super funny stuff that will make me laugh. If y'all can find me stuff like that, I'll do reaction to them every day.
Or car stuff too.
Yeah.
Like about new cars or something. Speeding cars.
I think I should do car reviews.
You should.
I know a little bit about cars. A lot of people say I should be a salesman. I don't think so. Salesmen don't have breeds.
He's a good salesman. Yesterday we went to go look at a car. What would that be considered? Not a car, because it's big.
That's a truck.
A truck?
Have they ever seen my baby? One of them?
No. I don't think so. They're gonna reverse his truck out. And you guys will get to see her.
I got this with all this YouTube money we get. I think we got like 75 cents last week.
Yeah?
This is my third baby. I have 3 pickups. All 2,500 heavy duties.
This is the youngest one.
Yeah, this is the one I worked on, lifted, wheels, a little bit of stuff. Too dirty, I might go get it for you.
Look at how long she is. There go the wheels.
He go pay this.
So yeah, he's about to go pay, and then we might go to the car wash. We might not. I'm about to get in. I haven't been covering. Okay. Hey. The cat He tried to jump in the truck. I had to stop him real quick. There's a whole bunch of cats around here. Okay, there we go. Back in the truck. We might head over to my sister's house because I got a meeting, a business meeting, and I'll just hang out with them for a bit. So that should be fun. I forgot to grab my bag. I know I should have grabbed my bag, but these plans just happen right now, so I don't have a charger or anything, and I don't know if my thing is dying, my phone, but we'll see. Christmas is coming up, 2 more days. Hopefully you guys went shopping and did all your things for your kids, yourself, your family. If not, that's okay too. It's not always about the gift, but the feeling that you have with your family.
I don't even know you.
You don't know me? You tried it.
We really going over there? Should lock the gate.
Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next clip. Hey guys, so finally made it to my sister's house.
Yo. Yo, what up though?
Can you see him on the camera?
Who that at?
He was always in the video, but told you what? Just gonna go get some chipotle. Yo. But we're here in our meeting, but I wanted to show you guys before I completely forgot. And I'm hungry. We're supposed to be, you know, taking a couple of, well, having like a little drink or so, but we'll see what happens. Okay guys, I know you can't see me, but me and Babe just left my sister's house, headed home, and I'm about to end this video off. Thank you for joining us. Please stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and share. And I will see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 24. Bye guys.